White holes, the mirror image of a black hole. Nothing falls in, everything pours out. What if that is exactly what the Big Bang was? And what if we are still inside one? Start with a black hole. Everything that falls in gets crushed toward a single point, infinite density, space and time breaking down. We call it a singularity. Here's the twist almost nobody mentions. Real black holes are not furnaces. A solar mass black hole is colder than empty space itself. What goes infinite is the density, not the temperature. Now rewind all the way back. The Big Bang began as a single point of infinite density where time had not yet started. Sound familiar? That is not the description of an explosion blasting into empty space. That is the description of the inside of a black hole. Serious physicists have asked, what if the Big Bang poured out from the other side of one? In 1935, Einstein and Rosen found that black hole math could form a bridge, a tunnel linking two regions of space and time, the first wormhole. At the far end sits a white hole, the time reverse of a black hole. It can only spill outward, light, energy, matter flooding into space, exactly what the Big Bang did. Physicist Nikodem Popławski showed something remarkable. Add a subtle twist in space called torsion, and collapsing matter does not crush to a point. It bounces, and that bounce looks exactly like a Big Bang. In this picture, our entire universe sits inside a black hole in some larger cosmos we will never see, and every black hole in our sky could be seeding a universe of its own. Then in 2025, astronomer Lior Shamir studied distant galaxies in the James Webb Deep Field. They should spin randomly. Instead, about 2/3 leaned the same way, as if the universe itself was born spinning. That is exactly what you would expect inside a spinning black hole. But the honest truth, it might just be a trick of our own galaxy's motion. The evidence is a hint, not a verdict. Maybe the Big Bang was not the beginning of everything. Maybe it was a doorway. And maybe, just maybe, we are living on the inside of a white hole.